Hello everyone and welcome back to Camp New Vision. Today, once again, we're taking a fresh look around the stadium to see all the latest progress and developments across the construction site. And there are some really exciting updates to cover. From new compression ring installations and facade slat progress to continued work around the upper bowl and several key structural areas, the stadium keeps moving closer to its final form. So stick around, because some sections are changing faster than expected. Let's get straight into today's update. Significant activity continues across the upper bowl, where crews are working on multiple structural and finishing elements simultaneously. Workers can be seen carrying out inspections, alignment adjustments, and installation tasks across various sections of the upper levels. Several elevated platforms remain active throughout the area, supporting ongoing work on the surrounding structure and facade connections. The upper bowl is gradually becoming more complete as additional components are installed and existing sections move into the finishing stage. Progress is also being made on support structures and connection points that will be essential for the next phases of construction. Compared to previous weeks, the area now looks noticeably more developed, with fewer unfinished sections visible from many viewpoints. The false ceiling area now appears almost completely covered with roof slats across this section. Workers were using multiple elevated platforms to inspect and adjust installations. Vertical support structures for additional slats have not yet been installed in some areas, but the overall progress across the south stand roof remains significant. The installed sections already give a clear view of how the finished roof system will look. A new radial beam was installed today on the compression ring structure. The beam is now connected to the latest completed segment, with only one additional box section needed to complete the next connection. Another segment is currently being prepared on the ground before lifting. The compression ring has now progressed beyond the halfway point of the south stand section. Construction crews continue preparing upcoming components in advance to maintain the current installation pace. A noticeable change was observed in the installation of sandwich panels. Instead of relying on several workers to manually position each panel, crews are now using a suction lifting system. This new equipment makes installation faster, safer, and more efficient. Additional sandwich panels are also being installed on the second level of the south stand. The new lifting method is expected to improve productivity and reduce installation time across future sections. Two new escalators have arrived at the stadium. One has already been unloaded while another remains on the transport vehicle awaiting installation. These additions represent another important step toward completing the stadium's internal circulation system. With each new delivery, the stadium moves closer to becoming fully operational for spectators. Work continues around the mobility cores, where crews are installing anchors and carrying out structural tasks in the lower levels. The second-level sandwich panel installation in this area appears largely complete, while workers remain active inside the scaffolding sections. Several teams are operating simultaneously, allowing progress to continue on multiple elements at once. Activity was also visible in the lower structural zones, where crews were performing installation and preparation work around key support areas. Significant progress has been made on another diamond structure. Workers have installed scaffolding and support beams in preparation for the next floor slab. Columns previously fitted with formwork have now been concreted, and additional support systems have been added for upcoming construction phases. Compared to previous visits, visible progress can already be seen across the entire structure. The most advanced diamond structure continues to move forward rapidly. Multiple workers are active on the upper levels, installing reinforcement steel and preparing floor slab sections. Structural steel components are also being lifted into position as work progresses across several fronts. Activity remains intense throughout the day, with crews focused on accelerating upper-level construction. A newly installed radial beam was observed in the north stand area, with lifting cables still attached shortly after placement. Since the previous visit, an additional compression ring segment has been installed along with supporting structural elements. Workers were completing final positioning and securing operations during filming. This area continues to show steady advancement as the ring gradually extends across the stadium. Large progress has been made with the facade slats. Numerous new slats have been installed in the corner section, extending from the lower levels toward the upper areas. Alignment guides are also being added between anchors, preparing the structure for the next phase of slat installation. The facade is becoming increasingly visible and is beginning to transform the appearance of the stadium exterior. Workers were also seen using elevated platforms to continue adjustments and alignment checks, ensuring that the slats are positioned correctly before installation advances further. Anchor installation is now nearly complete throughout the corner section, including both upper and lower levels, as well as the false ceiling area. Workers continue carrying out detailed structural tasks around the beam connections and facade support systems. Only a small amount of anchor work appears to remain before the next installation phase begins. Construction teams are also focusing on preparing the support framework that will eventually receive additional facade elements. Several crews are actively working on the slat support structures in the main stand. Some workers were applying protective materials, while others were inspecting and adjusting installation points. One sandwich panel was observed with minor impact damage, although this section will later be covered. Activity remains constant across the stand as different teams handle multiple finishing tasks simultaneously. More compression ring support columns and temporary support structures have appeared in the main stand. Construction teams are preparing this section for future compression ring assembly as the work gradually advances from the north stand toward the main stand. The arrival of these components confirms that installation activities will soon expand into this area. Workers continue applying anti-corrosion paint and protective coatings to structural steel elements. Surface preparation observed earlier in the day is now being followed by active painting operations in multiple locations. These treatments will help protect the steel structure from weather exposure for many years. The Tribune-side diamond structure remains one of the busiest areas on site. Numerous workers, scaffolding systems, and construction materials are visible throughout the structure. Activity is taking place both inside and around the diamond, as crews continue advancing multiple construction phases simultaneously. The high level of workforce presence highlights the importance of this section within the overall project schedule. A new steel beam was lifted into position in the corner section near the end of the visit. Elevated platforms were already in place, allowing workers to guide and secure the piece. Additional lifting operations involving containers and construction materials were also taking place in this area. Installation teams coordinated closely to ensure the beam was positioned accurately and safely. Overall, the stadium showed strong progress across nearly every construction zone. Key developments included new compression ring segments, additional facade slats, new escalator deliveries, ongoing diamond construction, extensive painting work, and continued installation of sandwich panels. With summer construction activity now in full swing, the coming weeks are expected to bring even more visible changes throughout the project. The pace of work remains impressive, and several areas are now entering important new stages of development.